In this problem, you're given an angle measure in degrees and they want you to convert it over to radians. In order to do this, to convert from degrees to radians, we just need to know the conversion factor and then we're done. It's pretty much a shove it into your calculator and go. So whenever we need to convert degrees into radians, we take our angle, which we call theta in our equation, and just multiply it by pi over 180. So our theta, our angle in this problem is 52, and so we just want to multiply that by pi over 180, shove that into our calculator, and we'll be done. So pull up your calculator and just type in 52 times and then pi divided by 180 and hit enter. And so out of there, we'll get that our answer is 0.90757. This question wants it rounded to 2 decimal places, so the 7 behind that 0 will round this up to a 1. So 0.91 will be our final answer. So the final answer here is 52 degrees is the same as 0.91 radians.